In this video, we will demonstrate how to flash the UIFlow 2 firmware onto the StickS3, as well as how to edit and deploy programs. Download and install the M5 burner firmware flashing software from the official M5 Stack website. In the device list, on the left side of M5 burner, select StickS3, find the UIFlow 2 firmware for StickS3, and click Download. Use a USB Type-C data cable to connect the device to the computer. Press and hold the reset button on the side of the device. When the internal green LED starts flashing, it means the device has successfully entered download mode. Click Burn. Enter the Wi-Fi and other related configuration information. Click Next to flash the firmware. After the firmware has been flashed, the device needs to connect to UIFlow 2 before programs can be deployed. StickS3 supports connecting to UIFlow 2 in two ways: access code or USB. This tutorial demonstrates how to connect using the access code method. Press the button on the front of the StickS3 to obtain the access code. Before connecting, make sure the device has successfully connected to the network. Open the UIFlow 2 web IDE. Click Controller to open the device list. Click Connect Device. Enter access code and name your device. We'll walk through examples to show program editing on StickS3 and UIFlow 2. Example 1. Screen. Displaying Hello M5 Stack on screen via UI Editor. Drag the screen block to adjust screen brightness. Click Run once for temporary test. Example 2. Button. Use button blockly to show click prompts when pressing StickS3 keys. Example 3. IMU. Use IMU blockly to view real-time 3-axis gyro angular velocity. Example 4. Speaker. Use speaker blockly to make the device beep every 2 seconds. Example 5. Microphone. Use microphone blockly to record and play audio.
Hello, hello.
Example 6. IR. Use two StickS3 units as IR transmitter and receiver for communication tests. Here's the full demo of programming StickS3 on UIFlow 2. Give it a try.